Hello guys, nandito na tayo ngayon mismo sa Pagoda, no? Bukawi, Bulacan. Ito mismong araw na ito ang kapistahan dito. Nakita niyo dyan sa likuran ko, napakaraming tao. Ngayon, pupunan at mismo dyan sa may ilog, yung mismong pagoda at saka yung kung makikita kayo sa may likuran ko, yung merong mga bangka. Ibig sabihin yan is mga pag-aari po niyan ng kanya-kanyang barangay dito sa may lungsod ng Bulacan. Ayan, makikita nyo dyan sa may likuran ko. Ayan. Dito po mismo na inalabas yung patay noon nung karoon ng tragedy, yung lugar na ito. Grabe ang patay dito noon, nagkalat. Ito is dito po inaahon yung mga patay noon. Kung nakita nyo dito sa bandang likuran ko, nandito po inaahon yung mga patay noon noong 1983. Pagoda.
Worst maritime disasters, which should have been a day of celebration and fireworks, ended up in absolute terror. However, one would emerge as a hero, but not without severe consequences. On July 2nd, 1993, during the Bocaue River Festival in Bocaue, Bulacan, Philippines, thousands gathered to celebrate the annual Catholic prayer tradition known as Novena, which is an ancient practice of devotional praying in Christianity consisting of 9 days or 9 weeks. Just like previous years, this 9-day festival featured various community gatherings, street performances, and games. Participants would gather both along the banks of the river and aboard vessels in the water as they eagerly awaited the festival's peak event and celebrate the arrival of the Bocaue Pagoda. The pagoda was a large, ornately decorated float built primarily from coconut timber with a 20-foot-high tower at its center. This impressive structure stood upon a flat-bottomed, square-ended base known as a casco. Carried upon the pagoda was the Holy Cross of Wawa. According to the legend, dating back to 1850, the cross saved a woman from drowning during a typhoon when she clung to it for safety. The festival commemorated this miraculous act of salvation until disaster struck in 1993. As the centerpiece of the
guys. Yan. Nakikita nyo yan mismo sa bangka yung signage na nakalagay na Bocaue. Ayan. Sila guys, oh. Kita nyo guys. Kaya pag yan nagawi dito sa bandang gilid, talagang basahan yan. Ayan, oh. Kita ba yan guys? Rat-ratan talaga yan. bumbet na guys. Yari na tayo guys. Ayan na guys. Yan. Yan yung mga nagpapasa. Yan. Happy Pista, Cross Sawawa. Ang poong. Ayan ang pista guys. Antayin lang natin. Magro-roda yung pagoda. No? Nang may kasamang misa. Ito mismo sa ilog. Nakikita ang cross mismo ng cross ng Wawa, no? At ito rin nangyayari mismo sa ilog na ito ng pagoda tragedy noong 1993.